How to fix the music app not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. First of all, go to the Google Play Store and install this very application on your device, and after that you need to go to the setting option. Go back to the home page, and after you go back to the home page, what you need to do is search for the very apps option. Scroll a little bit down and then you will see the very option of app. Now from here you need to search for the music. If you have installed it, it might not be available in some of the regions, so you should see that and install it. And you should go to the storage option, clear all the data, clear all the cache from here, force stop it, and go to the Google Play Store or App Store again, and then you can simply install this very application on your device again. If it does not help you, then you can simply go to the help and contacts option, and then you can send your problem, and this very application will send you feedback after few days, and your problem would be solved. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.